now. Right, so today we are going to do graph, and we are now on this part here. So this one I have already done. So so this is done. So I'm going to do the other one. What about the second row? So can I just write down all the answers? Y is equals to A. This one? X equals to A. Is that X equals to A? Yes. This one? Y equals to X squared. This one? Y equals to, got video or not? Yes, recording 46 seconds. So this is, yes, on the side, if you see over here, unless you block me in WhatsApp, otherwise you'll be able to see this. You block me. Oh, okay. So continue from here. Continue from here. Full size drawing. Okay. So continue from here. Highlighter, highlight. Okay, go back to the blue one. So, highlighter. So I have a few more. Okay, these four, do you agree is the angry graph? Alright, can I talk about the angry graph? I am always very angry when I need to choose this. So can I teach you a way to choose? Can we start? Can you start by drawing the graph, everyone? Can you change the color to another color? Let's choose black. So this is my angry graph. Alright? Can you write down the condition? The condition is how many of this angry graph do I see? Let me describe. I see 1, I see 2, I see 3, I see 4. So can you write down 4, choose 2. So I teach you a trick, and this trick will help you to select the angry graph correctly. This trick will show you how to select the graph correctly. Now, can I look at the first one? Okay, all done? All done, huh? All done, huh? Now, can I look at the first one? Do you see I have two graphs here? One is this. No good, huh? Let me try again. One is this line, one is this line, right? Okay. Now, can I bring out a graph? Okay. Wait. Okay, wait. Sorry. Can I bring back to this angry graph again? Now, can you write down angry graph is y equals to 1 over x, comma, write down. Sorry. I forgot to introduce the family members. In this angry graph family, there are altogether 4 family members. Y equals to negative 1 over x. Y equals to negative 1 over x squared. Last one. Y equals to 1 over x squared. So this angry graph belongs to 4 of them. I suggest you need a little bit more space. You need a little bit more space. So I suggest, can I give you some time to port this over to the second page bottom? Shall we do it? Here have or page 4 is blank. I suggest you to port page 4 is blank. Let me teach you a way to remember this and don't be angry. Can I show you this? Can you go to either page 2 bottom or page 4 blank page? Draw the angry graph again. Then I have 4 this angry thing, right? They told me this is called angry graph. And then write down 4, choose 2, and then write down y equals to x, 1 over x. Y equals to negative 1 over x. y equals to negative 1 over x squared. Y equals to 1 over x squared. I'm going to set up for you. I'm going to draw 4 lines so as to show you that there's 4 different ones. And I'm going to draw the first one by drawing the y and x. Can I start the first one first? Where is my video? Oh, still recording. Okay, can I start the first one? Okay, let's go. Now, the trick I'm going to show you is what we call plot the points. By plotting points, I will straight away know the answer easily. Now, let's start. Assume you have x and y. Assume you have negative 1 and 1. And my equation is y equals to 1 over x. So what happens when I put minus 1 inside? What's the answer? This is negative 1. Can follow? Assume I put 1 inside. What do I get? 1. Follow? So this is negative 1. This is 1. Now, if I circle this coordinate is what? Negative 1, negative 1. Can I ask you, negative 1, where is it? Is it at the first, second, third, or fourth? Negative 1, negative 1. Third one, is the third one. Can you put a tick at the third one? Xinghui, try again. This is 1, this is 1. Xinghui, do you know how to get 1, 1? I put 1 inside the equation. Can you help me? 1 divided by 1 is what? 1, right? So 1, 1 is in which quadrant, which section? Do you agree with this? Which means my final graph is actually the first angry curve and the third angry curve. Do you follow? So this is just like that. So I take out a black pen. This is my curve. This is my curve. Do you understand now? Is it easy? Okay, let's try the second one. 1 y equals to negative 1 over x. So let me try. Let me take out my pencil. Y and x. Let me take out my green pen. Let me plot some points. Xinghui, what points do I choose? Minus 1 and 1. Do you know why I don't choose 0?
0 is in the center.
1 divided by 0, what's the answer? 0. No solution. So the answer cannot. Okay? Now let's try. Put minus 1 inside. What do I get? Minus 1 divided by minus 1. I get 1. So this point is minus 1, 1. And where is minus 1, 1? Which section? Minus 1, then 1. Which one? The second one. What about 1? Negative 1, right? So which section? The fourth one. So the answer is like that and like that. Do you see why is it not confusing? Do you see it's easy now? Okay. Now let's summarize. Let's all turn back to page 1 now. Look at this and this. What do you think is the answer? The first one is what? Y 1 over x. This one? So very good. So can I write down the answer? This is 1 over x. This is negative 1 over x.
So you know when you plot the points, like, why you use negative 1 and 1?
Oh, okay. So this is okay. Everyone, page 1 is okay. Let me answer Jing Feng's question. Jing Feng's question is, why do you use minus 1 and 1? The answer is because I like it. Can you choose minus 2 and 2? Can. Can you choose minus 0.1 and 0.9? Can. You just choose someone in the negative and someone in the positive.
Can I swap the position?
Can swap or can swap. All I need to know is these two coordinates. Okay, can I, just for fun, let's make Jing Feng happy. Can you draw the third one? And let's make Jing Feng happy by allowing him to choose what point he likes. Jing Feng, can you give me 2 points? Huh? 22 and negative 20. Okay? Now, let's try now. What happens when I put negative 20 into x squared? Remember, there's a minus outside. Can you press, Gerald? We'll press the calculator and tell us the answer. Everyone do it now and tell me the answer. Everyone must do, everyone must do. 1 out of 400 wrong. 1 out of 400 wrong. Negative 1 out of 400, correct. One already, because the answer will be 1. Easy for me. You choose funny numbers, the answer come out to be very funny as well. You understand now? Who cannot get the negative? First, you must bracket the x. So bracket minus 20, close bracket squared. Then the minus stay outside. Follow? Follow. Baish, can you tell me, no, Gerald, can you tell me when I put 22 inside, what is the answer? Irritating, right? Negative 1 out of 4, 8, 4. Jing Feng, now you know why I don't choose 22. Okay. Now, if I were to use my highlighter, I just highlight, minus 20 minus 1 over 400. Which quadrant do I choose? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. That means I know my angry graph is here. If I use another highlighter, I choose blue, 22 and minus 1 over 484. Which quadrant do I choose? I choose the fourth one. Is this okay? So therefore, my graph looks like what? My graph will looks like this and this. Do you follow now? Okay. Now, last one. What about? Yeah. No, I don't care where is the point. I just need to know where is the area. Which quadrant, which sector, which side. So this is minus 1 and 1. I still try minus 1 and 1. Now, Isabel, when I press minus 1 in my calculator, I put back into this, what do I get? Everyone press, you get 1. Thank you. When you put 1 inside this, what do you get? 1. If I want to color some quadrants, minus 1 and 1 seems to be which quadrant, which sector? Minus 1 and 1. Seems here, right? What about the other one? 1 and 1? So the 1, right? So how do you think I draw my angry graph? Do you agree it's like that and like that? Yay! I'm done with the 4 graph. Let's go back to the answer here. What is this answer? Y equals to negative 1 over x squared. This one, y equals to 1 over x squared. Yay! Can follow? Okay. Now, last one. What about this? This is what we call the aeroplane graph, right? And earlier on, we mentioned aeroplane graph is either y equals to a power x or y equals to negative a power x, right? Okay, Dexter, can you write down y equals to negative what? A power x. Can you help me draw a quadrant? First, I must remember the shape. The shape is either flying up or flying down, right? Now, can you plot a point now? Can you try plotting point? This is x, this is y. Hey, but I don't know what is a. Can you give a number? 3. Okay, I follow 3. Can choose 18? Can. Can choose 1? Cannot. Choose a number bigger than 1. Now, let's try minus 1 and 1. What do you think is the answer? Try, put in. Minus 1, put in, what do you get? Put into x. Can help me? Rachel, what's the answer? Tiffany, what's the answer? Negative 3 to the power of negative 1. What's the answer? Negative 1 over 3. Can you tell me which quadrant is it? Can you tell me this one, which quadrant is it? Negative, can. Negative 1, negative 1/3. Do you see is the third quadrant? Third quadrant. Okay. Last one. If I choose, what about I choose 1? I put inside, what do I get? Negative 3. So if I take out my highlighter, this is my 1, negative 3. Where is it? Fourth quadrant, right? Fourth quadrant, right? Do you know where's the answer? The first one or second one? Second one. So the answer is y equals to minus a power x. Do you follow? So now you know how to select. You know it's aeroplane fly up, fly down. You know it's which area, but you need to know whether it's on top or below. How to do? Jia Xuan, you use the point testing. Follow? You can use any point. You can use minus 10 and 10. Can use 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. But if you use 1 not enough, you got to use 1 more point. Jia Xuan, therefore this answer will be what? Y equals to a power x. Do you follow? Okay. So exam, how will they ask you? They will give you many graphs, then they will ask you to guess what kind of family is this. Is this a linear family? Linear family? Is this a quadratic family? Wrong color. Yeah, I'm sorry. Is this the quadratic family, cubic family, the angry graph family, or the aeroplane family? That's all. Any question? No, huh? If no, I'd like to ask you to go to the second page. Gradient of a graph. So let's pause the video here and let's create that one.